Well, we always have to kind of not coordinate, but, at least keep each other in mind, seeing as there's 3 of us, so it works out well.
Nice. So, did you guys do the burp zone? Did you guys pass?
Yeah, Kevin just did it.
It's been a goal since I was, very young to always try and win the burp zone.
He did a really good job. He was really loud.
All right, can you reenact? Can you do it?
Oh, wow.
Oh,
Again?
man. Again?
Wait, here's my question. Can you guys burp? This is the challenge. Can you burp? Extra, extra. Come on, boys.
Extra.
He can do it.
Let's do it. I know you guys can.
Let's do it, Kev.
I know it.
Oh, boy, he's getting prepared. I might stand back.
Extra.
Wow.
On
Wow.
cue.
That is so gross. Oh, man.
Sorry, everyone.
What did you eat?
I don't know.
It's terrible.
Guys, seriously, that's awesome.
Thank you.
Okay, so, in all seriousness, everyone wants to know, where do you guys go from here? You guys are amazing. This is like you guys are on fire. What is
Thank
the
you.
secret to your success?
Our
fans are definitely our secret to our success. We have a lot of fans come to the shows, and they get up early to buy tickets, and it's so cool. So, we tour a lot, and I think we're going to continue to do what we do and just have fun.
We're going to Europe actually in a couple days and spend some time there and enjoy that and start the music over there and we come back. And then, of course, we do our Burnin' Up tour this summer. So it's going to be phenomenal.
Awesome. And real quick, speaking of fans, how crazy does it get with the girls? I mean, are they chasing you down, you boys? Be honest.
There's been a couple fans showing up at our house. It's kind of funny, but we love the fans. No problem at all.
Very, very nice. Have a great time and second time tonight.
A little bit. We were thinking about it. It might happen. We'll see how it works out for us.
It does. Just gotta embrace it. I think. Just take it all in.
We're a little bit of green, so it just kind of goes with the rest of the outfit.